good. Yes. Good. Ay, masarap. Some more. Habang naluluto ang Inday. Sit. Sit. You sit. 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 Good girl. Want your kibbles? Ito yung sobra ko kahapon. Masarap. Masarap ito at malinam-nam. Sit. 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 Ibi. No. One more for her. You're chubby, so. Okay. You need to behave, guys. You need to behave, girls. Kasi, mag-cooking muna tayo at ako gutom. So, ayun nga. And then, nilabhan ko na din ang aking mga labahan. So, ayun nga. There you go. Ito naman si Inday. Yes? What do you want? You guys need to sit. While we are cooking. Need to sit. Baby, sit. Sit, baby, sit. Sit. What about you were gonna eat your kibbles, Ibi? How's that? Kumakain ako ng ito. Ito na nga, everyone. Masarap kumain kapag kaano.